So you got the security camera from 3Link. In this video, I'm going to be going over the top questions I was seeing, answer those for you, and hopefully help you out with your purchase. I also got some videos going on the corner so you have an idea of what that quality looks like for day and night when you're filming through the camera. The questions I was seeing is, how do you download the app? The second question I was seeing is, can you live stream or get a live feed of the camera? The third question was, does it come with an SD card? So I'm going to answer all those for you and hopefully help you out with your purchase. But let's get in that first question. How do you download the app? So when you get the instructions to install this thing, there's just going to be a QR code on the instructions that you can just scan with your phone. It'll pull up the App Store and you can download the app. I believe the app is called 3Link, but they have a QR code that takes you right to the app so you can download it. It's really easy to do. And now for the second question, which is, can you live stream through this? So yes, you can get a live feed of the camera. It'll be right on the app. You just click on it. It'll pull up a live feed. In there, you can turn on this light so it'll get brighter or darker for you if you kind of want to use it as like a spotlight or maybe shine somebody. There's also a speaker you can talk through or turn on a siren. So you can do that all right from the app. You just click on it and you'll get a whole live feed of the camera. And now for the last question is, does it have an SD card? So it does have a port for an SD card. You just got to take this off and you can put it in there, but it does not come with its own SD card. However, on their app, you can actually have 24 hours saved for free. So everything that happens in the last 24 hours, you can go back and look at it, download it if you want. Like I downloaded these videos and keep them for as long as you want. There's also other options too. If you want a longer period of time, you can select that as well. But overall, this was super easy to install. It was affordable. It was exactly what I wanted for my house. And with the solar panel, there's really no maintenance to it. It charges itself. So I give it 2 thumbs up.